Do you want to export to the UK? What is the easiest way to find your B2B clients? I'll show you now. I'll use ChatGPT and a special custom report made for this case. Go to ChatGPT for this one. We need to use this simple prompt. Please provide me with British commodity codes for these goods. What does it mean? Commodity codes are widely used by customs for tracking goods when they cross borders. So we need to analyze your business and your goods to understand the particular commodity codes for your business. I'll use a business description I got from a Chinese company. This is just, I don't know, some chemicals they produce. Let's wait for the results. Okay, we can use these codes. Just note that all of them start with 3204. For simplicity, we'll only use those. But for your business, when you do this exercise, pay attention to the full commodity codes. Next, go to the site corpsignals.com, this one. corpsignals.com. Next, click on the link. Just wait for a moment. I have an existing account and I can use it here. But for you, it's better to sign up and go through the process to get access to this report. I have just opened a report. This is just my account. Okay, we are in, and you need to click on the first link, UK Importer Finder. It's our report. Click on it. Next, do you remember our codes? We can use 3204, as you can see. It returns a lot of results and we should click on them. I have a quick filter for this case on all of them. Finally, click at. Okay, we got the report. The first section of this report is for refining your search. As you can see, we got chemicals and light industries, but we also got animals and animal products. I think I made a mistake choosing a code. That's why I need to go back and check. Oh wow, this code is incorrect. Fix it. Update filter. Cool. We got it. We can also see what types of companies are in this report. Manufacturing, retail, trade, professional, scientific and technical activities, and so on. Looks perfect. Okay. Go to the next section. Companies. As you can see, it returns a lot of information about companies. Company name, registration number, number of owners, officers, and employees. If these numbers are available, you can also click on links to see detailed, up-to-date information on the Corp Signals site. For example, I can click it. Here you can see all the information and details about this company. Let's go back. It also contains financial information from their balance sheets. Additionally, it shows information about when this particular company imported goods we searched for. So this specific company imported goods from January 1st, 2022 until now. It shows the average number of monthly imports since November 2022, indicating how frequently they import. A higher number suggests more data about the company and a high probability that they will buy your goods. Okay, sometimes you see only 1 month. So I think companies with 5.5 or higher have a greater chance of buying your goods than those who imported only once. Go to the next section. Here we can see directors and owners of UK companies. We can see their names, roles, and whether they are owners. It also contains a link to their profile on the Corp Signals site. You can also see the co-directors, click on them and to learn more. Okay, go back. Now with this information, you can click on the report headline. Here is a good example. At the bottom of right corner, click download full results and choose your preferred format, like Excel. Okay, I got it. Go back to the directors and owners section. We can do the same thing here. Just click here and download the full results. I have downloaded all the results and can import them into my CRM system for successful sales. If you have any questions, just send email to my partner James Brown at .corp Signals, or just go to Corp Signals and do all reports as I did it and I demonstrated it to you. Thank you very much.